I'm so nervous. Welcome back, friends. Today is such an exciting day because today is my first collab. My friend Kayla, the Unmodern Millennial, is one of the sweetest, most genuine people I've met. We've been friends for a while now, thanks to YouTube. She is the budget-friendly food fanatic. She does what's for dinners, grocery hauls, some specialty recipes. She is wonderful. Definitely go check out her video after this. Give her some love, tell her I sent you, tell her how pretty she is and how awesome her meals are. If you're coming from Kayla's channel, my name is Sam. I'm a wife and a mom of a beautiful 5-month-old boy. On my channel, I do try things, I do unboxings, and I do life stuff. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. I would love to get to know each and every one of you. So today, what Kayla and I have decided to do, I'm a try channel, she's a food channel, so we are trying to zhuzh up some basic food items. Kayla will be doing a mac and cheese zhuzh, and I'm going to be bouging up some top ramen. So let's get into it. So for this recipe, you are gonna need some top ramen, vegetables, some ketchup, some Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, whatever you call it, soy sauce, oyster sauce, some sugar, some oil to cook the vegetables, and some sort of protein. I am using this pre-cooked freezer protein, but if you have any leftover, that would be great. You can do tofu, chicken, I'm doing beef or leftover steak, or you could just do veggie. And coleslaw mix for the cabbage and carrots. Everything is gonna be in the description box below, including the recipe that this was inspired from. So the first thing we're gonna do is make the yakisoba sauce. We're gonna first start by doing 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, oh no. Oh, that was easy. Whoops. Making a mess is just all a part of the fun of cooking, right? Right. Then we'll take 4 tablespoons of the Worcestershire sauce. Then we will do some ketchup. We'll do 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And then finally, we will do 2 tablespoons of the oyster flavored sauce. We're just gonna mix that around, get it nice and combined. Once that is all mixed together, just set it aside. So now we're gonna start cooking the veggies. I'm going to start on about medium to high heat. I'm gonna start with the onions to get them cooked down because I want them cooked the longest. The greatest part about this recipe is you can do whatever vegetables you have in your refrigerator that are about to go bad. So I'm using the celery that we need to use and the bell pepper. I did buy water chestnuts for this recipe because I love water chestnuts. I'll also put the cabbage in at the beginning because I want that pretty well done as well. I am going to season this pan with some salt and pepper. I'm going to be adding a few handfuls of cabbage and carrots. Start sweating them. I want to keep it moving so things don't burn. In the recipe I'm going to be linking, it says to cook the vegetables separately and then add them all in at the end. I am going to just be cooking them all together at the same time. It will be about this point where you're gonna want to start heating up your water to put your ramen in. Keep in mind, you want your ramen to be just al dente, just cooked, just starting to break apart. The only reason you're doing this is just to loosen up the top ramen. You can break your noodles up if you'd like. I like them whole. It's all about personal preference. Meanwhile, oh my God. Oh my God. This is so good. Once your noodles are just falling apart like that, we can add it to our mixture. And then at this point, go ahead and add the protein, whatever it is that you decided to use, if you decided to use any at all. And we're just gonna do a quick toss. So this is going to feed my family pretty well for a few days, but I like to cook more because being a mom, it's easier to grab some leftovers than trying to create something else. All right, now we're gonna take that yakisoba sauce that we made earlier and we are going to drizzle it on. I definitely recommend to do the taste test and see if it needs to add anything, if it's good. And now we're just going to toss it all together. All right, and we're just gonna let that simmer for a few minutes to marry each other all together. All right, here's the final product. You guys, this has been so much fun. Kayla, thank you so much for coming up with this idea and doing this with me. I appreciate you so much. Everyone, go check her out. She's awesome. She has wonderful dinner ideas that are always different. And she started doing what's for breakfast as well. Yeah. My name is Sam and I'm simply doing the things I need to do, want to do, or things that I think would be fun and bringing you along with me. Have a wonderful night, you guys. Stay safe and healthy. Bye. Okay. Okay, that's gonna be a staple in this family.